Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be polishing my nails using the new Revlon that I shared with y'all recently in a swatch, the HD Snap. It's called She's on Fire. I'm also going to do the new color Confetti glitter, and this one's called Carnival Fun. It's a bunch of multicolor triangles in it, and I'm just going to add a few of them to one of my nails just for an accent nail. I tried to find like another color that would match good with the orange, but I really couldn't come up anything except for like with gold or rose gold. But when I came across that the new color glitter, I don't think I've used it yet, so I was like, let me just use this, and hopefully it will match with the orange well. So yeah, I'm just gonna start polishing. This is supposed to be a one coater. So that's another thing I wanted to test out on my nails. I did swatch it and it looked great on the swatch stick as a one coater. So I was hoping that it was also going to work great on my natural nail as a one coater too. So I always leave in me cleaning up my nails. Messing up is just normal. You don't see that in a lot of these other nail videos because they're professional and they do a lot better than me, but I'm not professional. I'm not a nail tech, so I always need to do a little cleaning up. Sometimes I can get through my whole hand with no cleanup. I think I polished them better in the dark than I do in the light, but I'm using, if you could see to the right, I was wiping my brush on that napkin because I was washing my microfiber cloths, in case you're wondering why I was using that napkin. So they're in the wash. So yeah, I did end up having to go ahead and do a second coat because I didn't like the way that the first coat looked on my nails. The color didn't look right and it just wasn't as shiny. And when I added that second coat, it looked great. It looked just like it did on the swatch stick and I was happy with it. So yeah, I ended up having to do 2 coats, and I'm thinking if my nails were a little bit longer, the application may have been a little bit more better and I could have gotten away with the 1 coat, but with such short nails, it's just not a lot of room to work with. So I do like the nail brush and I do like the cap. It makes it easier to polish with the cap a little wide, like in that shape. So I do like that about it. It was very easy to use. The brush stick isn't as long either as the other ones. So yeah, I did like that about it. And I do like the formula. The formula is good. I definitely will be picking up some more of these. I would trade in my other Revlons, except for like my limited editions, for these. These are really nice formulas. So now I'm applying the second coat to this hand, and then I started to add the new color Carnival Fun Confetti glitter. Now I'm missing a clip. I was recording and everything. I don't know what happened, y'all. But you can see that I'm already almost done. The clear liquid that it was in was really thick. I wish I would have picked them all out of here like I'm doing now before I polished it over my nail, because it was super thick and the triangles were just like moving all over the place. I couldn't really get any on the brush, so it was easier for me to use my dotting tool and place them on instead of polishing over the nail with the brush that it came with. It just was not working. The liquid's too thick. Other than that, I think it turned out cute. I love the little triangles on them. I'm going to go over it with my Seche Vite to seal everything in and gloss it up. So yeah, I'm glad I picked up this color. I kind of went out of my comfort zone with that color. I usually would never polish my nails all orange. Like, I'd use it for nail art and that's about it. So this is the cuticle oil that I got from TJ Maxx by Onyx, and this is the first time using it and I like it. It's very moisturizing. It worked really well. So yeah, all done, y'all. I hope you guys liked watching me polish my nails today. Please consider subscribing if you are new to my channel. Make sure you give this video a like, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.